So one of our biggest projects have been our student on-campus visit events, our applicant visit days events. So these take place across 18 departments and they represent around 160 individual events. So obviously the management of those and the handling of all of the comms associated with that is a massive workload. So being able to use Gecko forms and also the events together, what it's allowed us to do is to handle all of the booking confirmations, reminder emails and follow-up emails have been all automated through the process. So we've taken out the comms, the sort of manual comms process for those departments from in something in the region of 10,000 emails, which are now no longer being sent manually. So it's meant there's been a huge time saving for those departments, and ultimately that means a better experience for students, because those departments, those teams can then spend more of their time and their energy on running the day itself. They don't have to think about the logistics of the bookings and the comms. I think what we've always tried to do with our CRM is take a technical solution but put it as a student-first experience. There's a lot of talk within sort of internal teams about how we can make this process easier for us, how we can save time and save money on doing this. And whilst that's obviously a key benefit of these systems, we always try and keep at the front. It's the student experience that matters the most. One of the best examples of this is our main University Open Days events, where we can now provide so much more information to students in a system that they can keep with them throughout the day, allowing them sort of more ways to interact with us, more ways to keep information with them. So they just have so much more confidence in the day when they're there. They're not worried about where they need to be or what they need to do or whether they've got the right thing. They can just come and experience the day. The flip side of that for our staff is that they don't have to worry, do students have this all the time? Do I need to have this information to hand to provide to them? They know that the students know what they need to know and can just deliver the actual experience on the day, which is great for both our staff and for students. The main benefit from it is the automation process. So a lot of the things which were very manual before and just took a huge amount of time, and I mean obviously the time saving is one of the biggest benefits. The other thing as well is we had a lot of different departments doing things in very different ways, which would ultimately result in a very different experience. By using one system to sort of provide this, it means that staff know how to do those tasks, how to do those things. They know if they ask their colleagues, the system is the same, they'll know how to do it, they can explain. At the end of the day, it just simplifies everything for our staff, so they're much happier in using the systems, they're much more keen to use the systems, and ultimately it makes it easier for them to engage with students.